What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We do have an exciting video today, Thursday, May 8th, and we have Costco's new arrivals. What's new here at the warehouse? Let's not waste any time and get into the video. As soon as you walk into the warehouse, it's starting to look like a little nursery. Starting the video off in the number one spot, we have the beautiful 10-gallon Japanese maple trees. Now these beauties are definitely a steal at this price point. If you're fortunate enough to have it at your local warehouse, this is a great price, absolutely amazing at $169.99 for a 10-gallon Japanese maple tree. Also to my right, another amazing deal. We have the hibiscus patio tree right in front of us. Amazing deal, 12-inch pot. Now this price point is excellent. So if you do have this at your local warehouse, definitely grab them before they're gone. $37.99. Now I do provide the item number in the bottom right hand corner of every product. That way, if you do wonder if your local warehouse carries it, you can always grab that item number, call Costco, or look it up in the app. Right in front of us, we also have the beautiful hydrangeas available as well. Now these are the 10-inch patio hydrangeas. Excellent price at $21.99. If you do see these available, try to grab the ones that haven't bloomed already. That way you can get them in the ground and get them established before they do take off. And even though it's 60 degrees out here in Boston, we definitely can smell summer in the air. We do have the new Tommy Bahama beach chairs. I can see it all the way from back here. Let's get up front and check out what they have to offer. And here we go. Check out this display right here. We have the Tommy Bahama beach chairs, the umbrella, the beach towels. Super awesome display. Let's go check it out. Now keep in mind, friends, we're going to start seeing a lot of patio furniture along with camping equipment go on clearance as well. It's going to take a little bit more time, but we're starting to see the TVs drop one by one every week. One or two TVs are going on clearance. Make sure you watch my Costco clearance videos. I did showcase a bunch of TVs my last video, maybe an additional 4 or 5. So in total, we've reached probably over 10 Costco clearance TVs. So make sure you watch all my Costco clearance videos as well. And let's get this summer party going. We got the Tommy Bahama in the number 5 spot. We got the High Boy beach chairs. Now these are super awesome. 7 different reclining positions, and the seat height is 17.5 inches in height. That way you're not sitting low to the ground. And the price is pretty amazing at $53.99. Even though it's not on sale, it's still an amazing price. Now if you're looking for the low boys, we have those as well. Now these are the Tommy Bahama original beach chairs. Now I do call these the low boys. Now these Tommy Bahama chairs are a 5-position chair, including laying down flat as well. Has a nice cup holder, a cell phone holder, and you can pick these up here for only $39.99. We have 5 different variations to choose from, different colors, different designs. So we have 5 in total, which is great. They also have a zippered insulated cargo pouch. These are super cool. You can throw them right on your back and carry it around like a backpack. $39.99. The only problem with these low boys, they're super low to the ground. I do prefer the ones that are a little bit higher, so the high boys. Now pair up those beach chairs with the Tommy Bahama Anchor X beach umbrella. In the number 7 spot, we have this beautiful umbrella at an amazing price point. Now it does have the Anchor X system built into it. What is that system exactly? It's this huge anchor that looks like a corkscrew. You drive it right into the ground, you connect the umbrella to it, and that way it doesn't blow away with the wind. Also, the umbrella does have wind vents and a tilt feature as well. Pretty awesome umbrella. It's 7.5 feet in width. It does have a telescopic aluminum handle, and it also has a nice carrying bag so you carry it around nice and easily, and it's only priced at $34.99. I was fortunate enough to grab it last year on clearance for only $15. And with all these beach chairs, towels, umbrellas, we're going to need something to carry all this stuff in. From Max Sports, in the number 8 spot, we have their extra large folding wagon, and it does have brakes. Has a maximum load capacity of 350 pounds, so you can carry around your little ones right inside in it as well. Now it does have all-terrain wheels, which is pretty cool. It has an inside zipper pocket. The back unzips for longer cargo, so if you want to unzip the back, you can tuck in those umbrellas as well. But look at the price, kind of ridiculous. What was Costco thinking? $96.99. I featured similar wagons on my Amazon videos for about $35. In the number 9 spot, we also have these licensed beach towels. Now, these are super awesome if you have kids at home. They're going to love you forever if you buy them. We got the Bluey, we got the Spider-Man, and to the right, we also have the Hello Kitty. Now, these are cool whether you go to the beach or not. They're 63 by 34 inches, 100% cotton, which is an A+. That's excellent. Now, what I love about them, the logo, the design on them, they're embroidered, which is awesome. And the price is not bad at all. Check out that price, only $11.99. Fantastic price. Now, I can't show you every beach towel here at the warehouse because we do got a good amount, but to my right, we also have a beach towel for two. Now, these do feature 72 by 84 inches, has a yarn dye design to them, which is pretty interesting, 380 GSM, and these are also 100% cotton as well. We have four different designs to choose from. We have the stripe design, which we saw, we have the palms, we have the turtles, and then we do have one more, but that price, not bad, at $19.99. And let's move on, friends. Let's see what else Costco has to offer. We do have a couple new cakes from Kirkland Signature. We have the lemon blueberry loaf right in front of us. Looks absolutely delicious. I'd love to try some, but unfortunately, I'm already big enough, so we do have to pass on that. But we do have, to my left, we have the all butter pound cake also available as well. Now, the pound cake looks very good too. Both of them look great. So the pound cake is $6.99, and the lemon blueberry is $8.99. Both of them a great price here at Costco. If you have tried this before, let us know in the comments section. Leave a comment below. I'd love to know. Now, these are great in the morning time. $6.99 for the butter pound cake, $8.99 for the lemon blueberry loaf. And here we have a new shop stool available from Coda in the number 12 spot. Now, this stool does have a pneumatic gas lift and handle. That way you can adjust the height from 22.8 inches all the way up to 27.5 inches. The design is steel and it can hold a weight limit of 250 pounds. Not that great for a sturdy steel design. Now, it is corrosion resistant because it has a powder coated base to it, which is great. You can pick it up here for $39.99. And then directly behind me, we do have a few shop towels available. From the Scott brand, we have the Shop Original, 10 rolls per package. Now, these are great. They absorb so much, 2 times more the strength. These are multi-purpose shop towels, and they're fantastic. $17.79. And to my right, we also have the cotton terry towels. Now, these are perfect to pick up. 52 towels per package here. These are 100% cotton. They're 14 by 17 inches. These are a great size, perfect to pick up. $17.99. And let's not forget about the microfiber towels as well. Now, these are not necessarily new to the warehouse. These are finally back in stock. We have the microfiber towels, a Kirkland Signature product, $17.49. And we do get a 36 pack of towels. In the number 14 spot from Richelieu, we have the garage organization system, 15 pieces in total, perfect to get that garage nice and tidy. Now, what exactly do we get in the box? We get 4 wall tracks and 11 different types of hooks. It's very easy to install. It can accommodate pretty much any tool, has a durable non-slip grip to it, and it does look pretty nice and neat. Getting your garage nice and tidy. The price is not bad at all as well, $32.99. And next up, we have the Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Loungers. Now, these chairs are excellent. They're lightweight, they're sturdy, they have an aluminum frame, and it sets up pretty quickly and easily. It does have a maximum weight support up to 350 pounds. They even have a nice fold-out table. As you can see there, you can put your cell phone, you can put your drink. Besides the obvious lounge chair, it's also great if you have back pain, spinal issues. It's a zero gravity chair, so it's going to give you a little bit of disc relief if you have any disc pain. If you have any inflammation in the legs or feet, swelling, get those feet above your heart. That will help with the inflammation. $89.99. Now, I'm pretty sure I've shown this product already, but we'll show it very quickly once again. In the number 16 spot from Duracell, we have their new lanterns here. Now, these are tri-power rechargeable, so that means you can charge it 3 different ways. You can charge it solar, USB, or Qi charging, so 3 different ways. It has a dual battery source as well, 3,000 lumens maximum output, which is great. USB-C in and USB-C out, excellent. So 3 different modes, high, medium, low, also a power save mode, $26.99. And look what we found here, a new Lego arrangement. This one is the Lego flower arrangement. Very cool Lego set. It does have 1,161 pieces, recommended for the ages of 18 plus. It's customizable as well, which is pretty cool. Now, the price is not bad as well. If you didn't know, Costco has some great deals when it comes to Lego, especially when they drop discontinued or on clearance. This one's $89.99. And just when you thought the new Squishmallow craze has ended, you are completely wrong. They brought in the new 20-inch Squishmallow Stitch. Now, the Stitches are very popular at the current moment, and I do believe these are going to sell a lot better than the Pokemon for some reason. Now, these are not too big. They're just the right size. I like the size of them, $29.99. And if you are a fan of Stitches, I have another surprise for you. And available at Costco online only, we have the Stitch Swivel Vanity Chairs. Now, these do swivel 360 degrees. They're height adjustable. They're ultra soft. And they do have a velvet fabric. And they also have great embroidered details. They're padded. They're very comfortable. Check out that price, $129.99. This is definitely a great buy for those of you who are Stitch fans. So the other day on my Costco clearance video, I did show you the Nintendo Switch on clearance. But here, check this one out. We have the new Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this is the Mario Kart bundle set you can purchase here at Costco. It will be available to purchase on June 5th. So just a couple more weeks to go, and you can pick this up here at Costco.com. And these are just a few deals available at Costco online. We also have the Maui Gyms, the polarized sunglasses, 100% UV protection for only $114.99. And if you're a DIYer like myself, definitely check out this sprayer from Wagner. It's an electric handheld sprayer. It can do paint and stain. It's an HVLP, meaning high volume, low pressure. That way you get a nice finish to it, nice and even finish. Also, let's not forget about the overspray. It does help minimizing overspray as well. Now, you can apply coats about 8 times faster than a brush, just like it says. You also get 2 different nozzles included, $139.99. Now, obviously, Costco online has so many great products that you don't see it here at the warehouse, but that was just a little glimpse. Let's get back to the warehouse. We do have the new automotive trunk organizer. Now, this is a great buy as well. Keep this in the back of your trunk. Keep everything nice and organized. Don't have a big mess. I do like this product a lot here at Costco, and the price is not bad as well. Similar price to this on Amazon, goes for a little bit more. Here at Costco, not bad at all for $19.99. I feel like in today's video, we did have a good variety of gifts that would be perfect for Father's Day. But if you're looking for something for Mother's Day, check out my Hot Buys video. This one has some great deals for Mother's Day. Right in front of us from EcoFlow, we have their River 3 Plus Wireless Boost Combo in the number 24 spot. So what exactly is this? It's a power generator, has a built-in power bank, has wireless charging, a wireless plus feature. You can charge very fast with this unit. It also includes 2 little power banks that you can take with you on the go. Pretty interesting product from EcoFlow. I do like it a lot. It also has a built-in surge protector, $279.99. In the number 25th spot, another great product from Costco. We have their new 5-gallon buckets here. Now, these buckets do have the Costco logo on the side. They come in a 3-pack, and they're only $9.99. But unfortunately, they don't come with lids, so keep that in mind. Now, here's a little pro tip I just found out very recently. If you're doing any planting around your household, any trees, and you don't want the trees to die on you, you got to keep up on the water intake. You could place one of these 5-gallon buckets by the tree, drill it a hole, and then fill it up with water. Let the water slowly leak out so the tree can absorb all that water and keep them nice and healthy. $9.99 for a 3-pack. And we've all seen the very popular Fantic tools, but check out this toolkit from Hoto. Pretty awesome. It's a 40-piece household toolkit, and you get pretty much everything the Fantic has, but actually a little bit more. A 40-piece kit, you get the hammer, you get the pliers, you get the wrench, you get the drill, everything built into this kit. Pretty awesome and cool looking, and the price is not bad at all. For this price point, definitely a great buy. Perfect for Father's Day as well, including the drill. Pretty cool little product here, and it is a 40-piece kit, only $39.99. And I know a lot of us have seen the new Nike backpacks all over social media, so I had to get my hands on these Nike backpacks. Not a bad price for $34.99, but that quickly changed once I picked it up and inspected it. This was poor quality from Nike. I didn't expect the quality to be this poor. Clearly, these were just made for Costco. The quality was absolutely ridiculous. I was very disappointed in it. The zippers were cheap. The logo looked cheap. It kind of looked fake to me. This is definitely not Nike quality. Definitely not what I didn't expect it to be. The red didn't look so bad look-wise, but still, same quality, same build. Definitely not worth $34.99. And for those of you who are doing kitchen renovations, we have a great sink kit here. Now, the old version is on clearance currently for $149.97. You can see it there to my right. Right in front of us, we have the new version from Kohler. It looks a little bit different. Nice system here. Now, the faucet does look a little bit different. The older version has a tapered look to it. This one is more of a uniformed base to it, a little bit thicker. It looks a lot better in my opinion. But you're paying full price for $3.99. Now, me personally, I like a more traditional look. I don't like the look with the spring in it anymore. I like a more classic farmhouse style look. Maybe a brass faucet would be pretty nice. I'm doing brass fixtures and brass handles in my kitchen, so I think a brass faucet would be pretty nice. I'll show everyone some before and afters of my kitchen. That'll be pretty fun. In the number 29 spot, we have the very popular Govee lights. We've seen the outdoor permanent lights from Govee here at Costco. Now, these are the Pro LED strip lights, another great product. I have the Christmas tree lights, and I love them. Those were super cool. Now, the Govee products, they're very customizable on the app. You can change the lights. These are super cool. Now, you can get creative with these Pro LED strip lights. I might use them for under the cabinet lighting in my kitchen. These are super cool. I do like them a lot. These are the Pro lights, $49.99, 49.2 feet in length. And now for the ladies, in the number 30 spot, we have the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, super popular product once again. It does have that high shine, lasting hydration. It has a hyaluronic acid, which a lot of people love. Now, this is another great product here at Costco. Another social media big one. I feel like Costco does look at social media a lot, and whatever is popular, they grab and put it here in the warehouse. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of people want it. $19.99. Great product from Maybelline, and it does come in a 3-pack. All right, friends, ending the video here. I hope everyone did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do need all the support we can get. If you enjoyed this video at the end and you feel like hitting that thumbs up button to support the channel, please do so. I would very much appreciate it. If you have Instagram, head over there and follow me at Watch the Deal Finder. We have some great content there as well. Thank you, everybody. I hope everyone had a wonderful week. Me personally, I'm still working on my kitchen, so it's hard putting out these videos this week. Hopefully, I can head to Costco tomorrow morning, grab some clearance videos, some clearance deals, so I can put out a clearance video tomorrow. If I don't, for some odd reason, I will try to put out something Saturday or Sunday, so stay tuned for that as well. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. And remember, if I don't, I'll put one out Saturday or Sunday. I'll try to do something. Peace.